Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Volkswagen Amarok Highline, stock reference number 4986. This shape runs from the 12th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand fog light. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted sports bar. Factory tonneau cover, soft type. Left hand tail light. Tailgate has 5 small dents. Chrome bumper, park sensor type. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets and wiring. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Here's the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior. Grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, left sun visor, interior mirror, right sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.